So the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red Retro came out this year again, just a few days ago. And I thought that I struck out because there were raffles, but I completely forgot about it. So I wasn't able to join any of them. Now, I was in Shangri-La Mall again yesterday, and I was just strolling along casually when I chanced upon one of my favorite branches over there of Titan. So I walked in, and lo and behold, it's just sitting there on shelf. And lo and behold, one of the sizes that was available was size 13, which is my size. So with no hassle whatsoever, I was able to just walk in and simply cop the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. That was the most painless cop in a long while. So for this episode, we're going to unbox it, check it out, put it on feet, and then I'll also share with you this interesting detail that they included. Apparently, it came with this Titan card, which I think allows me to get access to like a sneaker that will be dropping on December 12th. So yeah, let's take a closer look. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, give this video a like, and don't forget to comment down below on what you think about this sneaker. Helps the vlog out a lot. Woo! That is clean. Ba-bam! This is it. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red. Originally came out 1989, designed by Tinker Hatfield. I think it was retro twice already, but now we have a very faithful retro of the original. So if you take a look at the upper, you have that really nice clean white leather, and then it's contrasted by the black and the deep fire red. You have the red here along the midsole, along the aisle stays, and of course that Nike Air logo at the back, contrasted by that black rubber thing that you see over here. You have that exaggerated giant thong with the Jumpman logo. It says Flight, which is the same thing that you find on box. And then you have this Nike Air hang tag that's also included in it. Of course, the midsole for the cushioning, you have the Air unit at the back here at the heel. So looks-wise, it's amazing how sneakers that came out as early as, I don't know, like 4 decades ago, almost, well, 3 decades ago, are still dope and fresh to this day. And I think that speaks volumes to the staying power of Jordan brand and the initial silhouettes that they developed. They're not trendy that in the sense na uso ngayon, tomorrow laos na. It's the sense that you wear this at any time and they still look dope. So, but anyway, let's put them on feet and I'll share with you guys how I think about it. How is the Jordan 4 on feet? Well, pretty much just like any other Jordan 4 in the past. It's not the most comfortable sneaker you can get. I mean, come on. It came out in 1989, for crying out loud. So there is some sort of cushioning with the Air unit at the back of the heel, but the part of the front of the foot is kind of hard and firm, so you will feel that if you wear the shoe. Secondly, the mid part can be tight, especially if you have wide feet, so take that into account. And lastly, seeing as it does use white leather, the tendency for it to crease is really there, be it in the toe box or especially near the ankle area at the back. Creasing will happen. So accept it, because if you feel that it will be pristine forever as you wear it, you are mistaken. I would also recommend that you guys consider wearing thick socks if you wear the shoe, primarily because there is a tendency for the tongue or this rubber thing at the back to dig at the top of your foot or at the back of your heel. So it would be good if your leg or lower part of your leg is protected with thicker socks. Air Jordan 4 Fire Red sold for a little over 10,000 pesos here in the Philippines, but it did come with this card from Titan. So what is this card? They used to call this the Prometheus card, if I'm not mistaken, in previous years. And what this card basically allows is that it gives you, it's kind of like a fast pass, wherein if there's a raffle, you just turn in the card and you get like whatever's supposed to drop, well, you know, without having to join any raffle. So it's like an instant W, it's like an instant win. Now, as to what that sneaker is, we are kind of clueless right now what that is. There's no official announcement, but there are, you know, there's talk going around that will probably be the Jordan 11, which usually comes out at this time of the year. So fingers crossed that's the case. At least no more hassle, no more joining raffles, no more lining up to be able to cop that pair should it drop on December 12th. So this is the card. I won't flip it around anymore because you'll see the QR code and you might scan it and you guys will get the sneaker instead of me. So what do you guys think of the Jordan 4 Fire Red Retro? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from you. One more note before we really end. I just watched the video of Tom. By the way, Tom, shout out to you and Christian. I hope you guys are doing fine over there at Toronto. He mentioned that if you are going to buy the Jordan 4 Fire Red, now is the best time to do so because he really feels that after Christmas, the prices will go up and skyrocket. I honestly don't know about that. I defer to Tom and the rest of the people who have more experience in flipping and selling shoes, but I just felt that it was worth including that reminder, that note in this video as well. So if you want one, go buy one now while they're still close to retail, or if you can still find one for retail. If you are going to flip them, you might want to wait a little bit. With that said, that wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you guys all had an amazing weekend, and I pray that you all have a productive, meaningful week up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.